I have an upcoming project where I need to upset the mass on the end of this longer, skinnier shank. Now ideally that fits right in the pritchel hole and you can upset that, but this is a little bit smaller and it's not really going to fit the way I want it to. And I don't have any holes in a swedge block that are that same size. So my plan today is to make a tool, a bolster, that goes in the hardy hole on the anvil or in one of the square holes on a swedge block, so I can drop this all the way in, upset this mass down into about a 4-inch disc. And if you're interested in that project, it'll be up on the main Black Bear Forge channel in a couple of weeks. I'm going to start this project with some material somebody sent me several years ago. This is some kind of big jackhammer bit. I don't know exactly what the steel is, but in past projects it's proven to be good, tough stuff. This is going to be too large a piece to do conveniently under the press, so I think it's going to be easier to work under the power hammer where I can maneuver and change positions a lot more quickly. For the hardy shank on this, I'm going to forge some tubing down so it fits in my hardy hole. And that way the stem on this can pass all the way through as far as it needs to. A good bevel on that hardy shank will give me a good penetration weld, and then it's on to hardening and tempering. This steel hardens well in oil, and then I'll temper it at 450. And this gives us a very nice bolster that's going to stay put on the anvil or at the swedge block, and that'll allow me to pass the stem of this project all the way through. Although I may have to trim it a little bit so it doesn't hit the block for the anvil. But if I put it over on the swedge block, it's not a problem. Hope you have time in your day to get out to your shop, make something, but stay safe, wear your safety glasses. We'll see you for the next video.